Hello guys, in this video we'll be looking into the unit Build a custom record page for Lightning Experience and Salesforce mobile app. So let's look into our hands-on challenge. In this challenge we'll be creating a customized view of accounts. So to do that, let's jump into our setup and find App Builder and click on Lightning App Builder. Let's create a new app where we'll be choosing a record page. Let's copy our label, new account page, and the object we'll be looking into is account. Click on next. So our template over here is our header and right sidebar, and click on done. So this is our custom record page, or I can say Lightning record page. So let's drag and drop our highlights panel and then do tabs and then our Twitter widget to the right side. So we've added our standard components. So let's update the tabs component. Let's select the tabs. Let's add one activity tab. Let's select activity and click on done. So now let's add some standard components to each of the tab, like activities to activity tab and record detail to details tab and a related list to related tab. So once we have rearranged the order as shown in the challenge, so let's click on activity in the tabs and let's search for activities. Drag and drop. Now let's jump into our details tab. Let's search for record details. Drag and drop. And the final tab is related tab. Let's search for related lists and drag and drop back. So once we've done that, we can go ahead and save our Lightning record page. And don't forget to activate it. So here we'll be assigning it as the aux default. So, assign as aux default. Let's click on that. And let's select desktop and phone and save it. So we have completed our hands-on challenge. While the challenge is being verified, let's look into our Lightning record page, which we have just created. So as you can see, we have a highlights panel in the first, followed by our tabs section, and we have our Twitter widget to the right. So this is our record page in action. And we have completed our challenge as well. So see you in the next video. Bye-bye.